Hey everybody, it's Katie and today's video is going to be a college move out vlog. You guys really liked this type of vlog last year, so I decided to do it again this year. This is the last year I'm living in a dorm. I'll be living in an apartment next year, so that's awesome. Also, sorry I sound a little sick. I'm getting over yet another cold. So it's Wednesday night and my roommate just moved out, and now I'm going to start doing like decorations and stuff like that. But I will be spending most of my time on Thursday studying for my last exam. That's on Friday morning, and then also just packing up everything that I can until my mom gets here. So let's get started.
I'm running away from this pain. I'm trying to find a new way where the sun's shining down on my face. I'm running away. You're in a toxic relationship. Time to be free.
Okay, so that is all I'm going to do right now. I took all the photos off my wall. I took some stuff off here, so it looks really boring and plain right now. I packed up a lot of my just like toiletries and makeup and all that kind of stuff in the little gray box. And then this is basically all of my kind of stuff that was at my desk, so little miscellaneous things that I just threw in this box. And I'm probably going to end up putting more in here. So that's what I've done tonight, and I'm going to go watch Netflix. So hello everybody, it's Thursday and I've been studying a bunch this morning, so I'm going to take a quick break and do some packing. My room looks really messy just because I'm trying to figure out how I want to pack everything and how I want to organize stuff. So I'm going to show you what I've done so far. Okay, so here's an overview of my very messy room. Yeah, it's terrible. Okay, so I've put hats and stuff in this bag. I'm probably going to fill it with more stuff. This is another bag I can use, and I've just kind of gotten out bags I can use to put stuff in. This is all my toiletries and hair stuff and beauty products and stuff like that. I just did my laundry, so I have no dirty clothes to take home. This is going to be, I think I'm going to put blankets, and these are like my extra sheets and towels and stuff, so I'm going to put those in there. I'm going to put these in here. This box is empty right now, but this box has all of my school supplies. And then over here, I also condensed all of my food and threw out food that I didn't want. So I just put it in this little bin that goes under my bed. We'll just take that whole thing out. So the stuff I just threw in my bed are the stuff that's hanging in my closet, but that can be folded. So I have a lot of dresses and nice shirts that I can't fold, but all of this stuff I'm going to fold right now, and then we're going to pack it in the suitcase when my mom brings them. It'll just be easier to transport less hanging stuff, just be able to throw stuff in suitcases. Okay, so I pretty much folded everything that was on my bed and separated it into different piles. I have so many sweatshirts and jackets, it's crazy. But that's pretty much all I'm going to do right now. I gotta go study again, woohoo. And I also threw all my hangers in my laundry hamper as of right now with 2 pillows. I'm probably going to end up putting these hangers, probably wrapping them with a rubber band and maybe putting them in my luggage or just throwing them in the car so they don't break, because that'd be really sad. And yeah. Okay, my brain is completely fried from econ and it's 8 p.m. so I'm going to take a quick break and do some packing. So I'm probably going to do jewelry and makeup. condense my cubicles, which has like my underwear, bras, and socks. And then I'm also going to do some clothes stuff. So yeah, let's get started.
I'm trying to find a new way where the sun's shining down on my face.
Okay, so I have all of these drawers emptied, and then this bottom drawer is empty too. These two are full of shirts, and I have a lot of shirts, so I'm just not gonna empty those yet. I have to take this off, but I'll do that tomorrow because that's easy. And then toiletries, I just threw a bunch of crap in this bag, honestly. Nothing special. I put a good amount of clothes in here to save room in my suitcase. And then these are pretty much a lot of clothes that I've already folded. This is just a bag of towels, blankets, my stuffed animals, stuff like that. This is my kitchen stuff. This is my office supplies. There's a bag that I can still use. I have no idea what to do with these because I will not be able to transport it in this. So I have no idea what's going on there, but I have rubber bands. And then in here, it's pretty much, oh, it's really dark. Well, it's pretty much empty. I think there are a few things I can still fold, so I'm going to try to do that. But I basically have all my shoes down there still. And then I have a bunch of stuff there that I need to figure out what to do with. But that might just be a tomorrow problem. Okay, that's all the packing I think I'm going to do tonight just because I'm really tired, still sick, and I have an exam tomorrow. So my exam is at 8 a.m. and I hopefully will be done before 10. But I don't know how much footage I'm actually going to get just because me and my mom are going to be trying to pack as fast as possible just so I can get out and go home. So yeah, that's all for right now, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
I'm running away. You're in a toxic relationship. Time to be free.
After a very long 6-hour drive, we're finally back, and we unloaded the entire car into my room or downstairs, and my room's gonna need a lot of work, so I'm gonna go eat dinner and then hopefully try to unpack everything by tonight. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!